Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an EHEYCIGA brand heated blanket, electric blanket, and it's not working and it might be flashing you like an E or an F code with a number after it, or it might just be blinking on the screen and you're trying to get it working again. And so the number one thing that's going on with this blanket when this happens, it has to do with a connection issue. So there's the controller is obviously getting enough electricity to show this error, but the blanket itself needs quite a bit of electricity in order to heat properly, and it's not getting what it needs. So what you want to do to fix this is just, first of all, just turn it off and unplug it. And then you want to just check all the connections going in and out of the controller, in and out of the blanket. Make sure everything is snug and nothing's frayed or loose or disconnected or anything like that. And then you want to plug it back in, but you want to plug it back in directly into the wall. Don't use an extension cord, don't use a power strip. And make sure it's plugged in nice and snug. And if that gets rid of the error, if you were using an extension cord or a power strip beforehand, you're probably not going to be able to use that extension cord or power strip because it's just not heavy duty enough. So you're either going to need to use the blanket plugged directly into the wall, or you're going to need to get a more heavy duty extension cord in order to carry the current to run the blanket. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.